we covered in this session how to beat the Capture the Flag event, in particularly the Control-Alt-Pwn, where we were giving away a $7,000 computer with a $1,000 monitor.
Just went over what the intended path for solving it and winning the computer was, and basically just covering what people wanted to see next year, if they wanted to see more or harder challenge, if they wanted to see something that was split up into different categories. But it seems like people just want more of what we did this year, so that's what we're going to do for next year, is just the same thing but change it up.
This year, ThreatLocker really stepped it up. It was a very tough challenge, and it took me 11.5 hours to get through it. The product was 4 levels to get through, and it was complicated at each level to get you to almost give up, and you'll get that kind of goosebump every time you get to the next level, and then you get hit by another block. They cracked multiple levels. It proves to everybody that there is no 100% security. You know, coming up in such event and seeing competitors in the market and in the enterprise also trying, and basically it shows that what we're doing is at a different level, which really is exciting to me and to the team at Ocean Solutions.